Shubor Nakashlem Jong Unong San Hima.
Ka Meghalaya Domestic Workers Movement Hag Jinge Trailang, but Ka Meghalaya Greater Shillong Progressive Hawkers and Street Vendors Association Katma Urangli Juki, but Ka Social Accountability Forum for Action and Research Kalapenlong ya ka public hearing habayade bet kamang pisa ka bag sorkar kalamang na kabenta ki pajba ki belas ngi ki basyong dukan bat ki batre ki kamlajong ki bala syakta ha ka khangdam na ka daw jong ki jingsha lungshop ha ka klam covid khat khandai ha ka ni ka sngi la don kat langru daw Justice Madan J Luker undong bisar bala syong thai jong ka Supreme Court jong ka ri India u Indian Ambassador and diplomat Balashong Taj uba Rudy Wardry bat giwei ki balasngap yak ke ba ki pajba ke layatu habai de bat ka pisa ka balamang na ka banta jongki ha ka por khangdam na ka daw jong ki jingsa kta na ka khlam covid khat khandai shushu ki pajba ki bawan hakni ka public hearing ke layatu ro bat don na pedeng jongki ki balayo tang siteng ka pisa ka balamang da ka sorkar don ki bom samlayo ya ka pisa bat kim tip nak ai ka daw ba kim semlayo wat la don na pedeng jongki ki bala pentip sa ki phone number ki ba ka tanat labor jong ka sarkar jilla kala ai hanrai kim semlayo jawab ai ha bai dei bat kini ki jing ujor jongki tong india ngap yak ai ka ba u Justice Madan J Luker bat ka kong Angela ngat ki don banong ha bai dei bat kani
penpoy yang ni hangni ta kasi hakani ka jing bisa pat pa ka ni om Lada bikin mau aku kratering jong lebih mention snap aku habang syapan lek shop baklam bat kipat pak kidawan kesoka pada bendon cikersan hamtam ya kinong train bala kiwaman kasi kesoka ka pentip bahkan ran cikersan ajar sispa ya kibana taksi kibat train breu kibat jinde kibat apukan kibat train kamajong but hak itu kan notification yang kata kajin tha sarkar kala batai baya kitu ki badan jokka ya ki badan ki master rule baya kitu ki badan hak KPU CW kim dia kan apply namar bakin si yo kersan nawe hadin maka sarkar ka penbena nebu napi kilat den bakishnam dan napi shu WhatsApp karin pia phone nakasteng jo pi domestic workers pia persamaan akerteng but ni nak susip ni babarok ki sayo mo ya kata ni kabaling mo kalong hakan ni notification ro iklam ai kala sedit I think that we have to note the notification that came out the fact that it wasn't indicated the time frame within which the applications will be received so there wasn't an indicative last date as such of till when the applications were being accepted. So that is also one point I think which was problematic with the notification. Ki ayu tu number. Hendak nitip babun napi habor phone. Kaklamlet ka phone ne ukhamtre kam tu number. The helpline also crashed. And then bun napi klam tip ka WhatsApp ka yan at klam yan. Hendak kila shu. Shania abay pakala apoy ka application mo. Ti hadini kani bade. Habang ikindu aja para lok jong ni seneng serum. Bak ngikeli atau kila yo ne emi penika. Jingkersan. Bun ki om em. Bak ya ni la pentip sa sarkar nadu benai. Jom aku ba imat kadang problem bak ni ki priu pat yo. The first set of complaints which we gave to the government was in June 2020 when we informally realized that people were not getting the relief already immediately to the government and we were hoping that there will be a rectification. Hendai ka sarkar ka khamle ai halo gitu ki jingsyam jogi. Ti hadir bani akan bu susu iki para lok ki badai ki nong dia madan. Habang ikli ki khangani ka jingyo ai ni bisa nisyan ba tabun pala naki iklam yo ni kendu news patam por ni kan ka covid training but naki chiteng iklam yo ya kan ka jinyara Di naman daw bangi file yu ya ka RTI. Ni ay ka RTI hau Oktober arho. But ni yo ya ka reply. But habang ni yo ya ka reply, ni yo ya kerten ki brio ki phone number ai kisa. But kat nu ki yo. Ti persa baru ki kerten ki thwa be arho ispa lanesan hajar. So when we realized from an informal survey of 700 plus hawkers that more than half of them had not got this relief, we then put in an RTI application in October of 2020. When we got back the responses, we realized that there were 1,25,000 plus names. Against all those names was indicated 2,100 and 5,000. We were a little surprised initially with the 5,000, and later we sort of put two and two together and realized it was the BOCW entitlement. Now, when we got this data, habang iyo ay kinikerten, ikinmao, ipalat pa iba yan. Lingba ki parlok jani haka press, ka social media, ki local channel, ki don't think silap tam ki kerten hunto. But ni ketu yung hito yawa, ikikerten lada kilap. Day hunto, but bun naki pisham ki kerten melathok untuk belayo, andre ka pisa pada kaklampoy, sa tasa account ki. Ki don't ki bayo tang sipawa ni siten. Ti Hakata kapur ni penpawian sa sarkar. Ba imat kadadon sisa kanika jingthut hakam komtri kam jo kanika skim bat la ade ban pe benya. Namar ba kanika skim ro pina pe nei. Hapor ba penpa ki kerten ya kita ki construction labor ba ade ki bri ki ba adon pa hakata kapur of Construction Welfare Board, mo persya itu ki kertanya ki don phone number ki bam trekam ki basu ki karaktin hari ki ghost numbers ni ki bam ding sisa ki number joki tingi shamba kadon ka aka hamta ka ba terlingo ini bahakan ko kom ki shim kertan ki break ban pawla ko visa number bam poise ise ka sarkar pat nampak la ban le hagat ko por ti kapan poy ni shaban shong bharna namar hakat ko por ang covid ni hak shong tamban ban su halar sarkar baka hapit banya halar kani. And because of the inaction we were forced to do a dharna, after which we were able to at least have a conversation with the labor department, and the labor department based much of its understanding on the complaints we had put. And they made several commitments during that meeting. They agreed that there were some 32,000 to whom no money had gone at all, but whose names had appeared. And they said that they were going to send the labor officers in various districts to actually verify these names. But till date, there's no update on that. They also said that they will be getting reports from the banks and they will share that report, but again, there has been no response. Kasurkar hadin punya syawharna ko ong bakan sa persyam, ban hak di officer syamada, ban lepek kita diberi bakan patyo, ban pek banyak lagi chamyo, bakin kili sa tibang, bakan kom diberi yo ang spa sa spa sa kuno. Ndray harun tang patyo ka juba ka batikna, but they kan ka daw tang snow balalat patay ni magyawan lang banya. Keren isu halakan. But ni semua komen. Baka way ki bank ke HDFC ikong ba iba kila yawan kenang mene bandan nang bat ni. Namar ni hidup ba ni ka suku. Kumdo kan ko pisah kaya ni. Namar pun ki piang ba itu itaw bon de. Di nin island de pi ban keren ma. Hakmat tu kini ki riu champang kenang ba pinyo semua ka sudah jauh. Namar tang na kaba ni syubha ki ko Islam itu biasa sarkar kampat la macam kia. Ndai hadin kita kasi makan tu pi bandar keren ni ke sisa. Penpau sisa ke ka badai ke bomdai. Kelawan lam ki passbook jong pi di nang ni sakmat min ailat pi ndai swaya ke dia nang khat i parlok jong ni nang ram wani.
IVR calls, IVR platform, they are in both the languages, Khasi and Garo. And so in Khasi and Garo, there are two options. If you are a crawl worker, then select one, and then if you are a VOCW worker, then select two. And then accordingly, you can verify the amount you have received, like 5,000 or 2,100 rupees. So there are also four options. Like if you have received full amount, then press 1. If you have received the partial amount, press 2. And if you have not received any amount, then press 3. And then there is the second question. If you want to register a grievance now, you can press 1. And if you don't want to register, then press 2. So that kind of, then we have received more than 12,000, around 12,000 responses from this IVR calls, which are also mapped with the website calls, and all these data were mapped, and we found that there are the number of people who have not received or that they have received a partial amount of money, and accordingly all these details report submitted to the concerned departments. Thank you so much.
Belahi Ibril, terlihat yang beri apapun guna video Amerika, pakasokan guna Amerika Steam, lihat tertentu dulu, lagi lihat tadi, iskuan, yang tu dibuat sim dong, dibuat sim dong, okay. Tadi you akan tu kita bisa apply ke dah.
The role of the bank in payment processing, it acts as an intermediary. So whatever account numbers or whatever instructions that a customer puts forth as a request, we we have to complete the concerned request by day end, and whatever names, account numbers, IFSC code and amount cannot be altered by us, and whatever that is given in the request has to be carried out by day end. So if wrong account numbers or wrong IFSC codes were given to us, we cannot check from our end. What we do is, if the payment gets reverted back, it goes back to the parent account and it goes back to the concerned department's account. So from the bank's side, there is no pendency on any payment as such.
It comes to treasurable or RTGS to us. Okay. After that, they have given us the instruction. This kind of transaction are processed in the ACH mode. That means automated clearing. So whatever the file uploaded to us by the end, suppose we are receiving this by 12 o'clock, by 2:33, we have uploaded this to the ACH mode. So after that, it was executed automatically.
I just want to understand the process. The process is that money comes from the treasury to the bank.
So the treasury or through ITPS from any other bank account.
It comes to the bank. Now, does the information that you have received so much of money, does it indicate to whom it has to be disbursed?
Yes.
All right. And it gives the account number of that person?
Account number of that person.
Okay. Now, after you receive the money, say for example you receive 1 lakh rupees.
Correct.
Right? I'm just giving an example. You receive 1 lakh rupees and they say it has to be given to 10
people.
Yes. Right, 700 rupees each.
Yes.
And this is the account number of these 10 people.
Yes, sir.
So you automatically transfer it.
We automatically uploaded the file in our system. So it got automatically debited from the parent account. Now the thing is that when you reach to the
it gets debited from the parent account and gets into the account of the person.
Correct.
Now two things can happen. One is that the account number is wrong.
Then it will come back to the parent account.
It will come back. The second is that the IFSC code is wrong. So again the money will come back. Alright. So you do that on the day on which you receive the money.
Correct.
Now the money that comes back you then send it back to the treasury or what do you do?
No, that will be lying in the government account, that account, parent account. We are just sending the transaction, numbers of transaction which was executed, which was rejected, we send that report to them.
So you tell them that out of these 10, 2 of them IFC.
Suppose 3 was executed and 7 was rejected, so this is the fine.
And this is the reason why it was rejected.
Why it was rejected?
And the money remains in the current account.
Current account, yes.
And how long does it remain over there?
So see, it's not like that. Suppose today is a disbursement, 1 days before it will come. After that, when disburse, whatever they are taking, again they are giving us that something was corrected. Again we are sending that one. Something was rejected.
Will either remain in the current account with you, or it will go back to the treasury.
No, it is with the current account.
Okay. So therefore, if you have received 1 lakh rupees and 10 people have been told it has to be disbursed to 10 people, out of 10 people it has been disbursed to 6 people, 4 it has not been disbursed, you have informed the government or the department saying that in the case of these 4 people it has not been disbursed. And that money which you received in 2020 will still be lying in the account.
Still lying in the account.
Okay. Now, if a customer comes to you and says that listen, I have received 700 rupees, but after that I have not received anything. Do you tell that customer? Why?
Because we don't have the data first. First, we don't have the data. Secondly, I don't know how much you are sanctioned to him or her.
No, notification says 700 rupees.
See, notification says 700 rupees, but the thing is that I am not the only victim. There are some other banks also who are handling this kind of transactions. So maybe those accounts are not with us. Because we have to check that one. Why it was got with?
Maybe you see, I am a customer in your bank.
So if you are a customer of my bank, I can tell you.
Okay. So
that I can tell you.
Then you will tell me if I tell you
Why it was rejected.
if I have received the money, you will tell me that IFC code is wrong.
Correct.
How many cases did you receive complaints from the customers?
None.
From none. And money is still lying with you in the current account?
Yes, sir.
Do you know the quantum? How much did you receive and how much rejection there
So
is?
that I have to check. Actually, this is for the SCH backend team doing these things. We are just uploading the file. Itself from the department is uploading in the system. So that I have to check with my backend.
It has remained a mystery because of 2 reasons. One is that unfortunately there was no participation by the government. A lot of things could have been clarified. For example, somebody gets one payment but does not get a second payment. Why does that second payment not come? We don't know. Government could have clarified that. There are people who got no payment. Why didn't they get it? What is it that has gone wrong? The HDFC Bank came, they explained to us to some extent what could possibly have gone wrong. But having known what has gone wrong, the question is how do you rectify that? You know something has gone wrong, but then what do you do about it? And there again, the government had come, some solution could have been found. So I think one thing that must be said is that in public hearings of this nature, government participation is very, very important. It's not adversarial in the sense that it is not someone trying to accuse the government. It is that somebody is entitled to a particular benefit and is not being able to get the benefit. So the government has come out with a scheme to help them. So I think it is an obligation of the government to explain why these persons have not got the benefit which the government wanted to give. So that is very important for the government to participate in these kind of public hearings. That is number one. The second thing that I would like to say is that there is, from what we heard from all the beneficiaries, there is a huge amount of disconnect. There is no dialogue between the government and the beneficiaries, between the government and the NGOs who are helping the beneficiaries. So there are workers who are willing to help, workers in the sense of NGOs who are willing to help, social activists. Why can't it be done? Today's Human Rights Day is a good day to start. It should start today, because we are talking about the human rights of persons who have suffered because of COVID. So I think there should be a discussion, and that discussion should start today.
Also in your findings today, because earlier the government has stated, or even from the Labour Department, they've stated that, some phone numbers were incorrect and then some beneficiaries' account number was not correct. However, in today's gathering, we've witnessed that, they've received some amount. So in your finding, do you think that, it's incorrect, or how can it be that somebody has received 700 and after that state that the account is incorrect, or how do you see?
You see, this is where I said that there is some disconnect. Everything has to be reconciled. How is it that one person got the amount in his or her bank account, even though the phone number was incorrect? How is it that some person did not get the money in his or her bank account, even though the phone number was correct? So this reconciliation process has to take place. It can only take place if there is a dialogue. I mean, you can't sit in your office and say that, well, I don't know. Well, I think you have to find out. Government has to be more proactive in this.
So, what's the way forward to ensure the beneficiaries get what they
dialogue, discussion, find out where are the gaps, find out what are the mistakes that have occurred, and rectify those mistakes. Today we have come to know that there are several mistakes that have occurred. And unless those mistakes are rectified, the situation will continue. So the way forward is to rectify, to identify the mistakes which have come out as a result of today's public hearing, and second, to rectify those.
Shisha atau kapoi shisha kapisa na em, panpit ka kerteng jo ki kabiang na em. But kibri kita wan lam kita di documents. But hang ni kal apa ba kadon shisha kata kabring ko. But ba kadang bun kata ka AKA ba ka sorka kan tak lak penpet. Handai ka bas ngusi kalong. Ba hakum kini kijing bisha ka jing shisha. Nila invite ya ke Labour Department ro. Nila invite ya ke Office of the Chief Secretary ro. Kari ka kamram jong kijing shisha. Bandon hakum kani kijing yalang. Namal maki ni dan hok pan ay ki ka hok bakin ay ka jubab. Nyimdei ban chu bisha klang da yo ka jubab na ki. Handai maki pa de ki khamshim hyai kani ka kam. Hakajing shisha ki de ki public servants na kita ki nong tre ki babe ki sa ngi ki pa ba. Kari ka kamram chu ki ban wan. Ban ay jubab halau kini di. Handai hiri te kapau baki di ibreu ibam hensnap ya kanika sensat hadar nesta demokrasi amal hak demokrasi kali ke pamram tentu kiba be bisa ki ba ya ki bikin trei ke tu pakam jadi nong mat ru pakin pet bakaya pet ke sudan bok pada baki banks bang invite iwe na ki wan pat ki kilaan nakal yang ki jadi pensai balik si kumnu kata kisah nakasoka ka poi sheki ta maksakut no but Katu kacing wan tu ki kepenpau, baki kimdan ban buri, baki kuat, bahkan ya bet ke. Ni mi lenti, bawa lada ki kan wan mentah kasih tu. Ke Labour Department kan ai jing pensai, ngakan tu pi ki journalist tu, ban let beli dia, the Principal Secretary of Labour, but iki wei ki kam, hello kani, namar ba shisnam shiteng, ban sa teng kam kumini, tak pau biet. Baki bun hak skim ko wan sa Meghalaya. But bun sin ki syuja rangai. Namal umdan kata ka flow of information ngim tip sisa ka dina betah jong nu hang nu lan nu kan sedang lan nu kan kut manu ba yo kak nu la abai pisa kak nu la alut kak nu langsa ti ngidei ba nyebut din kum nyebut din ni kan ni dangi lek kamta naki snong naki kenthei naki seng samla nget yang Pak ini jelas jengi berit hadu wo nilak ban pentelah dur ya kena ke jelas. Ke ai ke beri ban poi hok iwe kita ilai pulak ngut nyadan kena ke jelas. Nilak ban pentelai ke jeng em bajang. Mereka kamram sedang nangi bangin bud din but bangin pressurize ya kan ke serta bakal di bentri bet tri benti ya berok sikit